Welcome new and returning Shubas. Today I'll be showing you a quick video on how to use BarRaider's Windows Mover plugin. As with all of his plugins, you can find them in his Discord server, which will be linked down in the description. The Windows Mover plugin is great for quickly moving windows that you tend to open often, or in my case, when I turn off my monitors, they default to the main monitor when I turn it back on. So I always use it to just quickly move them right on over. It's very easy to set up and get running. As always, to install the plugin, you download it from the server and then double-click on the Stream Deck file inside of the zip, or just get it from the Stream Deck's More Action page. Simply click Install. Once the plugin's installed, you find it under this tab over here, BarRaider, and depending on the order of where you installed it, you'll have Windows Mover, but that's all you need. So then you just drag that in, and this is where you have a lot of options. So here you can select what screen you want it to go to. So I have my gaming monitor here, Omen. And if you have multiple of the same monitor, they'll show up exactly the same, but you can uncheck this. And so you can see the display numbers. So here I think we'll open web browser real quick. Brave. We'll just throw that over here. So then we can come here, Brave. Select that. So then you have few options. You can select the coordinates of where you want it to go. So X position, let's say 600, Y, let's say 85. So now when we press the button, it'll move to 600X, 85Y. Or if you have a position that you already want it to be in, let's say I wanted it like here, right under the Stream Deck window, we can get current window coordinates, and it'll fill in where it already is. So then, you move it somewhere else, you click the button, it'll go exactly to where you had it. So then you also have resizing options. So, you can maximize it. So, then the X position, Y position wouldn't matter. Minimize it, it's just gone. Or you can just resize it. So then that's where you can scroll down a little bit more. You have options for how big you want it to be. So if you wanted it, let's say 800 by 800, just a square. Press it. Now the 800 by 800 window in the position of 1075 or 38. Or like I said, you can just bring it wherever you want. Press the button. It's there in that size. Hello, Editing Starkey here. Another major thing that I forgot to mention while recording it live is that the Stream Deck Windows Mover plugin is affected by the authority you have on your user account. So if you try and move a window that has been run as an administrator, then it's not going to move. The only thing you got to do to fix that is completely close out your Stream Deck software and then just start it back up as admin, and you should be fine. Well, that's really it. I hope this helped you understand the plugin. If you need any further help, join us in BarRaider's Discord server where we can talk about it. We also have a beta program in the server to try out experimental plugin updates several days before they're released, and even new plugins that haven't been seen at all in the store yet. If you're interested in my content, you can have a look around the channel here, and you can find my links like Twitch, Twitter, Discord, and more in the description. I hope to see you again, Shuba.